Attic hatches are one of the largest sources of heat loss and air leakage in a typical house and demand focused ceiling and insulation that matches the rest of the attic. To follow the attic hatch ceiling and insulation thumb rule of house construction, insulate the hatch to the same R value as the attic floor so there is no thermal weak spot. Measure the attic insulation level and add panels. Rigid foam or spray foam to the hatch to achieve parity. Add a continuous gasket or weather stripping around the hatch perimeter to create a durable air seal and press the hatch closed firmly against it each time. Choose a compressible foam or closed cell strip that resists compression set for long-term performance. If the home uses pull-down stairs, upgrade to an insulated model rated to at least R10 and ensure the stair enclosure connects tightly to the attic framing, fastening and sealing gaps with expanding foam or canned spray foam where necessary. For retrofit hatches that cannot accept thick insulation, build a removable insulated cover box sized to fully overlay the hatch from inside the attic and secure it when not in use. Use rigid foam sheathing faced with foil or drywall for durability, and add a rope or handle for easy removal. Always check for and repair gaps in the surrounding framing and any electrical, plumbing, or duct penetrations near the hatch that could bypass the insulation. Seal those with caulk for small cracks and low expanding foam for larger voids. After work is complete, use a simple hand test on a cold day or a smoke pencil to detect remaining drafts and tighten or replace weather stripping and fasteners until the hatch feels airtight when closed. Homeowners commonly under-insulate the hatch because they underestimate the attic insulation level. Fix that by measuring attic depth and matching the hatch to the same R value. Another frequent issue is poor sealing around the perimeter that allows air leakage even when the hatch appears insulated. Solve this by installing a continuous, durable gasket and testing for drafts. A third problem is using non-rated pull-down stairs or leaving gaps at the stair enclosure. Replace with an insulated rated unit or build and seal an insulated cover box and ensure all joints are sealed with foam or caulk. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives a place to discuss projects, materials, and installation techniques with peers and professionals. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and giving them access to our community where recommendations and project leads grow organically.